Good evening, everyone. Today we have three incredible positions with rook against pawn. In this position, white to move. You need to evaluate this position, how will this game finished, and try to find the best way for white to make draw. Take a pause and calculate variations here. How will you play if you play white? I hope you truly took pause and calculated variations, and only one move for white to draw, that is apply shouldering. We need to push opponent's king. Don't allow the king move, the black king move to the pawn, so only move is king d5, and now that will be draw because black king cannot move to the pawn. An example, rook b2 and king move to c6, king e5, b6, and king e6, b7, and after king e7, king c7. That's will be draw because white wants to promote queen. There is no way to stop it. Okay, very good example, and now we move to a little bit more complicated example. Shouldering also. Okay, in this position, black to move, take a pulse and calculate variations. Can you save this position? Okay, I hope you truly calculated all variations and maybe even found the draw here. And let us think about this position deeper. If black just moved the pawn, they will lose the game because after an example g3, rook b3, and rook will take the pawn. So that is not the way. If king will support to promote the pawn, it's also not the way because we will see opponent king can stop it, yeah, like rook b1 king, yeah, like rook b1 simply. And now if king g3, king e3, and after king h2, king f2, yes. So that is not the way. Is there any another possibility for the black? How do you think? According with previous example, we know we need to push opponent's king by shouldering, by pushing him out. So if you still could not find draw, you can take pause again and try to find here how to apply shouldering. Okay, of course, king h5, and after king b7, king g4. After king c6, king f4, and that is draw. Because white king cannot move to the pawn, simply g4. And now whatever white play, an example, they can create last threat, like the last trap, sorry. An example, king d4, g3, and like rook okay, that doesn't work. I thought after promotion the queen we can give check and take the queen with another check, but it doesn't work. So and now white cannot stop the pawn. An example: king d3, g2, threatening g1, and need to try to stop with the rook, but king move to support of the pawn from this side. That will be draw. Okay, hope you understood this idea. It's very important. I took this example from the book, and in the book there was example like white will win, yes, but king can move to f4 and that will be draw. Okay, so we move to another amazing example. That's my favorite position from Saavedra. I think many of you already know this incredible position, so but if not, you can enjoy a lot. So white to move in this position, so please calculate variations. Imagine you play white and also imagine you play black. Try to make a draw for the black and try to win for the white. So take a pause, you can think more time. That is very good position. Okay, hope you truly took pause. And for the white, of course, need to play c7 with threat to promote queen. And the idea of defense for the black is give check if king move to the c file. An example, yes, then rook move back and attack from the backside. Now white cannot promote the queen because they will lose the game. Yes, that is the idea of black defense. And king also cannot move to b7 just because rook d7 and that will be draw, but white wants to win. And king cannot move to a5, of course, because rook simply will take the pawn. So only move king b5, and black continue with the same idea. But finally, king can come to c2, and now rook cannot block the pawn and cannot attack from c5 anymore. Do you have any idea of defense? How to continue defense for the black? Take a pause if you still don't know how to play for, did not calculate it yet, and try to find the idea how to save this position for the black. Okay, I hope you truly took pause, and black has amazing idea with rook d4. And now if white promote queen, rook c4, queen c4, and what is that? That is stalemate. That will be draw. Okay, but do you have any idea how to play here for the white? You can take one more pause. This position deserves it. And think here. If king c3, simply rook d1, king c2, and position will be repeated. It doesn't work. Of course, c8, but promote the rook. And the white had the threat, rook a8, checkmate, so need to close a file. But after closing a file, white has double attack. And how to move for the white? Yes, of course, king b3 with threatening king a4 and rook c1 checkmate. So black cannot protect two squares, protect the rook and protect from checkmate. They will probably lose the rook after king b1 and king a4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe on my channel to see more amazing and incredible unbelievable ideas in chess. Keep growing. Bye bye.